Good morning, little tractor. The sun is up. Time to wake up. Hello, sunny garden. Little tractor is ready to find yummy food. Oh, what is that bright red color? Pop! Look what you found! It is a red tomato! Yummy red tomato!
Good job, little tractor! Let's find more!
Ooh! Do you see the orange color? Pop! Up it comes! It is an orange carrot. Crunchy orange carrot. Rolling along. What else is hiding? Look at that funny green shape. Look at that funny green shape. Pop, pop. A big green surprise. It is green broccoli. Fluffy green broccoli. Hooray! The wagon is full. Time for a picnic. Hello, friends. Look at the big harvest. Red, orange, and green. We love healthy veggies. Happy Harvest Day!